Welcome to Insane Idiots. Twins are going to be eating some epic sour candies. They have to eat as many as they can in 1 minute
without drinking any of this water.
On his marks, get set. Eat as many as you can go! You have to eat them all the way before you can go to the next one. My mouth is watering. Oh, Danny won! Wow, 230 seconds. Well, that was an epic failure. Well, good job, Danny, the king of the sour candy. Go, do it, do it, do it. Woo! Oh yeah. We're idiots. Well, actually, they're idiots. I'll be idiots in the next video. Say bye, everyone. Thanks for watching Insane Idiots. Bye. See you next time.